guys, today we are playing Roblox. Okay, so we're gonna play Bloxburg today. So yeah, let's get started. By the way, guys, if you want to friend me, my account is KaylaCoolGirl7788. Friend me, and yeah, let's get started. Today we're gonna play Bloxburg. We are probably gonna do roleplay planning too. So, wow, this is kind of loud. Well, it's not loud, but I'm sorry I don't have like what am I trying to say? Premium, yeah, that's sorry I don't have that, guys, but like I never felt like getting that whenever I had like enough Robux for it. Plus like I was so busy getting other stuff. I don't even think I got any game passes, sadly, but whatever. Anyways, guys, actually we probably won't. We are we probably Baba, can you turn that down a little bit? I get it, you're recording a YouTube video, but you can turn it down. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Just go closer to it. Sorry, guys. My brother is recording a YouTube video too. But he won't talk to his fans, and he kept acting crazy in his last YouTube video. But anyway, today what we're gonna do is we are going to get our job at BFF Supermarket. I guess that's what it's called. I don't know why it would be called BFF, but BFF Supermarket. We are going to we're going to work here as a stalker. It sounds weird, but we're working here as a stalker. As you can see, whenever you go to work, I have been promoted 16 times, but sadly I only get $40 from that. I earlier said that was kind of a ripoff or something, only because like I should at least get more money since I've been promoted that many times. But I'm not complaining. Well, I'm not trying to, but I'm just saying that I should get more money because I need it for my cafe, and I need to build a bathroom in my house because I messed it up. I actually destroyed the bathroom that I had because I had to move my cafe like back because like it was so close to the sidewalk. Well, yeah, you couldn't even step on the grass or anything because it was blocking the grass. But yeah, I destroyed my bathroom so I would have more space to like move it back, and yeah. So what I was gonna do, I was just gonna put like private bathrooms in each room that I had. So yeah, I was gonna put a private bathroom in the kids' room and in the mom's room, in my room. So yeah, because that's the only way I can actually do it. So. Why do I keep saying so? Yeah. I don't know. I guess I just have like a habit doing that. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, we're just gonna keep working, and then we're gonna like go in build mode. like when I'm done, we're gonna go in build mode, so I can keep building my cafe, which is actually almost done, but it's actually not really a cafe. It's like a fancy restaurant because it has elegant chairs and it has like those festive wedding tables, and yeah, it's a really fancy restaurant. So I guess I have to wear my red dress whenever I'm a cook / waiter there. I'm gonna hide her. I said hide her. And guys, also, this is my first YouTube video, and also, as I said before, I was recording in my last YouTube video, but it messed up because my brother was going haywire in my video. But anyway, I said that before. Now I would mess up when I'm talking because I always do that, and I talk a lot. I talk really fast, so I always mess up when I'm talking. A lot of people probably do that, so yeah. And also, guys, I do Roblox videos. I do Movie Star Planet videos. I do a lot of games, but I mostly do Roblox. But yeah, this is episode 1. Working in my cafe. Working for my cafe. Yeah, work. I've had a YouTube channel before, but sadly I had to delete it because there was just so many problems with it, and yeah, I don't even want to explain it right now. So yeah. But let's keep working because yeah. In that last video that I was recording, I was playing Movie Star Planet, and yeah. When I was like just sitting here, I was playing Bloxburg, and I challenged myself to, when I only had 15 promotions, I was challenging myself to work until I got promoted again. And it said that I had to restock 235 shelves of food, and then I would get promoted, and this time I have to restock 266 shelves so I get promoted. I don't want to do that because it takes so long, and me doing that in my last video, that just took so long and it wasted all of my time, so yeah. Okay, we're almost done doing this. Alright, we're gonna go home now. I've worked enough. I don't want to work anymore. So we're gonna go home and keep building our cafe or fancy restaurant. I keep saying cafe, but whatever. We're gonna keep building onto it. Wait, we're just gonna teleport down because I have no idea where my home is because I forgot. I was just at work. Oh wait, now I keep pressing the wrong buttons. The wrong things. Oh yeah. We're gonna go home so we can go into build mode, and then that will be the end of this video because I only record videos for 15 minutes. That's my thing. So yeah. Okay. I need to pay my bills, but I don't want to do that right now. I'll go to work again. Wait. Okay. Okay, this is what my restaurant looks like so far. As you can see, this is what I said, festive wedding tables. elegant chairs, and yeah. Let's go ahead and keep decorating. Alright, I'm gonna be quiet while I do this because I need to focus. Okay guys, we're gonna end this video here. I love you all. Please subscribe, smash that like button, and yeah, I will see you guys later in my next video of Roblox. So yeah, smash the like button, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and bye. Wait. Ha! Oh, sorry, I messed up there.